Senator John Mbata as a point of contact to every other person that is here. Gentlemen of the press, let me thank my chairman for taking up this very, like him, he said it's a spiritual assignment. I want to thank you for accepting to embark on this spiritual assignment. It is a spiritual assignment because if you had listened to me when I took this decision, it was for the safety, protection, progress, development of our dear state. We can't be doing our own here, and we'll be going on a different course with the federal government, the ruling party. There is every reason to support Mr. President. If not for any other thing, as a person, I know the sacrifice he has made to ensure that we still stand as a government. So I took this decision as my own return favor, my own clearing the bush to ensure that his re-election come 2027 would be easy, smooth in this state. Now that we are all in one party, because I believe that we have always supported him, but maybe from different flats. We're now inside one flat. The job is easy to continue what we have promised, Mr. President. Let me thank the National Executive. The state chairman is representing the national chairman. I want to assure you, you can take my message back to him, that we will do everything to keep APC as the main and active progressive party in Rivers State. We are not only going to stop there. It is my responsibility from this minute to ensure that the party is properly taken care of. I will assure you here that every need of the ESCO, every need of the party in the state becomes my responsibility. Mr. Chairman, welcome back to your house. This used to be your house. Now walk, you're entering here now, walk with swag. Because this is your house now. Let me thank every one of you, our leaders, who have always been disturbing me. And finally, when I took the decision, you said, you're standing with me. There is no going back. We have a big task ahead to preach the gospel of Mr. President, to soften every strong ground in this state, and to make sure that at the end, it will be a smooth sail in Rivers State. Let me thank you again for your support. I have never led you wrongly. I normally take time to take decisions. But I believe that every decision I've taken have not led to any problem. It is for the safety of our state. So I call upon every one of you to double your support in this cause. Today, we are going to commission a project. We are going to flag off a project. It is very significant. Among every other thing we're doing, this project today is significant because it has to do with collaboration with the federal government. It is not about the state, it's about our state. We must work with every sector to make sure that we bring positive news, not negative news anymore, to our dear state. So I urge every one of you to continue to support us, continue to support the president. And now, this is our chairman. All our events start to attend. You're my chairman now.
Thank you.
Okay. On this note, let me appreciate everyone and wish you well. It's not just only you wishing me well, me too, I wish you well while you carry out this very taxing responsibility, leading people with different opinions, different mindsets. It is not an easy task, but just learn how to manage everyone. Thank you.
Eric, why you see? We somehow kind of avoid this.